In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Squarespace domain to Google Sites. This process can initially seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you understand everything you need to know to get your domain connected seamlessly. First, we'll start by heading over to sites.google.com. This is going to be our main hub for setting everything up. Once you arrive, look for the settings icon. It's generally located in the upper right corner of the page. Give that icon a click and it will open up a menu with several options for you to explore. In this list, find and click on Custom Domain. This feature is what allows us to link your Squarespace domain with your Google site. From here, you're going to want to click on Connect Domain. This prompts Google to ask for your domain name, which is the web address you own and want to associate with your Google site. Carefully type in your domain name into the provided field and then proceed by clicking Next. At this point, Google will begin generating some information for you. This includes a SNAME record and a TXT record, details that are essential for connecting the two services. Now, as we move forward, keep this page open and switch gears by going back to your Squarespace account. Since Squarespace is where your domain is registered, this is where we need to apply those CNAME and TXT records provided by Google. Once logged into your Squarespace account, navigate to your domain settings. Here, you should be able to locate your DNS settings within your Squarespace dashboard. This is crucial, as DNS records are essentially the tools that tell the internet how to find your domain. Once you're in the DNS settings, you're going to open up a section that allows you to add the necessary records. Start with the CNAME record that was provided by Google. I cannot stress enough the importance of inputting this information precisely as shown. Even a small error can cause complications in verifying your domain connection later on. After you've successfully added the CNAME record, you'll move on to input the TXT record, also provided by Google. Again, maintain accuracy when adding this record. It's vital for the verification process. Once you've diligently input both records into your Squarespace DNS settings, return to Google Sites. The final step is to complete the verification process. This is where Google checks the records you've just entered. If everything is accurate, your Squarespace domain will be successfully connected to Google Sites. And that's it. By carefully following all these steps and ensuring precision with every detail entered, you'll have your domain linked up in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your integration process smooth and efficient.